Hey folks, sometimes a picture is 1,000 words when it comes to visualizing your brand, and Firefly AI Assistant can help you with that. First, I can upload my logo here for a fictional lemonade and drinks company and ask it to put it on a plastic cup with lemonade on a wood table. Firefly will analyze the image you uploaded and generate an image based on your request. Not only that, it'll actually analyze the image that is generated to make sure it was what you were asking for. Looks pretty good, right? Well, let's take it one step further. Now, I'll ask it to generate the logo on different apparel. Here it's then asking me which apparel I want to mock up, so I'm going to choose a t-shirt, hoodie, the snapback, and the tote bag. Then it's going to ask me what size image I want. In this case, I want landscape. So it's going to then take that and process all of those and generate a new image from that. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to tell it to generate all the other mockups. Wow, that looks pretty awesome, but how will it look on people? Let's ask. I can even upload an image of myself. All right, that's pretty cool. So now, if I want to play with these even further, I can ask Firefly to put it into Firefly Boards for me, and then I can iterate on that. And there you go. That's the power of Firefly AI Assistant, helping me take my brand and visualize it in a variety of ways in just a few words.